With RFK Jr. in line to head the Department of Health and Human Services, Governor Sarah Huckabee Sanders is joining a call for reforms to federal food programs.
She says the program encourages families to eat unhealthy foods, so she is requesting to remove some foods from the list. Thank you for joining us tonight at 10. I'm Faith Woodard.
And I'm Rolly Hoyt. In this letter released today, the governor says 23% of SNAP purchases are used on soda, candy, unhealthy snacks. T3 11's Ashley Godwin shows us the governor's plan to ensure a more healthy diet.
And with obesity as high as ever, this would be a massive benefit to our health and our taxpayers.
In a post on social media, Governor Sarah Huckabee Sanders is asking for certain foods to be excluded from purchasing with SNAP benefits. On Wednesday, she sent a letter to Robert F. Kennedy Jr. and Brooke Rollins, nominees of President-elect Trump, who will oversee the Department of Health and Human Services and the Department of Agriculture. In the letter, she says, quote, "I ask that you work collaboratively across the administration to prohibit the sale of junk food in SNAP and end taxpayer-funded junk food." She also hopes to pursue SNAP waivers that will support the buying of fresh fruits and vegetables.
So we are definitely supportive of helping people become healthier, make healthier choices.
Christy Putnam, the Secretary for Arkansas's Department of Human Services, says the agency was kept in the loop about the governor's letter. She says there are already programs in place through Medicaid and SNAP that will provide access for healthier foods, like Double Up food bucks.
People are able to extend the purchase power of their SNAP benefits when they purchase produce at certain locations.
The hope is that this will give Arkansans better options and prevent illness and disease later in life.
If we have better health to start with, then we're going to avoid, the worst health outcomes down the road by people eating, making health choices that contribute to chronic health conditions like diabetes, high blood pressure, cardiovascular disease.
To be clear, Governor Sanders' letter is a request to these federal agencies. No changes to SNAP benefits have been made at this time. Back to you.
All right, Ashley, thank you. The governor quoted findings from a CDC survey back in 2023 that 4 out of every 10 of us here in Arkansas struggles with their weight. The best states in the country report about 2 in 10 being obese.